Natural light has a way of transforming a home. It makes rooms feel larger, warmer, and more inviting, something many Sterling Heights homeowners value, especially during Michigan's long winters. One of the most effective ways to bring more sunlight into your living space is by installing bow windows. These elegant window systems don't just enhance curb appeal, they dramatically increase the amount of daylight flowing into your home. What makes bow windows different? Bow windows are made up of 4 or more window panels that curve outward from the exterior wall, creating a graceful arc. Unlike flat window styles, bow windows extend beyond the home's facade, which allows sunlight to enter from multiple angles throughout the day. This design captures more light than standard single or double-hung windows, making it an excellent choice for homeowners who want brighter interiors without major renovations. More sunlight from every angle because bow windows consist of several glass panels, often including fixed and operable sections. They act almost like a panoramic lens for sunlight. Morning light, midday brightness, and even soft afternoon sun can all filter into your space. In Sterling Heights, where overcast days are common, this multi-angle exposure can make a noticeable difference in how bright and comfortable your home feels year-round. Living rooms, dining areas, and master bedrooms benefit especially well from bow windows. These spaces often serve as gathering points, and increased natural light helps create a more welcoming and uplifting atmosphere for family and guests alike. Brightening small or dark rooms. If you have a room that feels dim or boxed in, bow windows can completely change its character. By extending outward, they allow light to penetrate deeper into the room, reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. Homeowners often notice that once dark corners become usable, pleasant spaces after installation. This added brightness is particularly valuable in homes surrounded by trees or neighboring houses, where sunlight might otherwise be blocked. Bow windows help maximize whatever natural light is available, even in tighter residential areas of Sterling Heights. A cozy space with a bright bonus. Many homeowners love bow windows not just for the light, but for the extra space they create inside. The interior ledge can be transformed into a cozy reading nook, a breakfast seating area, or a spot for plants that thrive on natural sunlight. Houseplants, in particular, flourish near bow windows thanks to consistent light exposure, adding even more life and warmth to your home. Energy efficiency meets comfort. Modern bow windows are designed with energy efficiency in mind. High-quality glass options help retain heat during colder months while still allowing sunlight to warm your home naturally. This balance is ideal for Sterling Heights' seasonal climate, helping homeowners enjoy brighter spaces without sacrificing comfort or increasing energy bills. By reducing the need for daytime lighting and allowing passive solar warmth, bow windows can contribute to a more efficient and enjoyable living environment. Enhancing style while letting the light in beyond functionality, bow windows add a timeless elegance to your home's interior and exterior. From the street, they enhance architectural interest and curb appeal. Inside, they create a focal point filled with natural light, making rooms feel open and refined. For homeowners looking to upgrade both the look and feel of their Sterling Heights home, bow windows offer a perfect blend of beauty and brightness.